we have x minus a into x minus b. Here now we can have my x minus a equal to 0, or what, x minus b equal to what, 0. That is s equal to what, a, or what, s equal to what, b. Now let me now use this one to solve this one. X minus 3 into x minus 4. Here now, by following this procedure, this one will be what, x minus 3 equal to what, 0, or what, x minus 4 equal to what, 0, x equal to 3, or x is equal to what, 4. We are done with this. Now look at this one, x plus a into x plus b. It means for x, it means x plus a equal to what, 0, or what, x plus b equal to 0, x equal to minus a, or what, x equal to minus b. Okay, now look at the example that this one. We can have here x plus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 4 equal to what, 0. That is x equal to what, minus 3, or what, x equal to minus 4. We are done with this. Now look at this one as well. Whenever you have this kind of question here, just say what, x equal to what, 0, or what, x minus 3 equal to what, 0. So x equal to 0, or x equal to what, plus 3. We are done with this. Now look at this question as well. Before we can solve this one, before we can do this one, we need to factorize this one. So x common here, x into x plus 9 equal to what, 0, x equal to what, 0, or x plus 9 equal to 0, x equal to 0, or x equal to minus 9. Right, now look at this one as well. We can factorize this thing, right? X into x minus 3 equal to what, 0, x equal to 0, or what, x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 0, or x is equal to what, plus 3. Right, now look at this one, another thing. Now we have the coefficient of x squared is 1, right? The coefficient of x is 7. Okay, multiply this 1 times 10. That is 1 times 10 is what, is 10. Right, look at the coefficient of x is 7. We need to know that you add together, that will give us 7. At the same time will give us what, 10. I can say 2 times what, 2 plus 5 is what, 7. 2 times what, 5 is what, is 10. That is, we are going to apply this one. This one will now be what, 2x plus 7x. Put it here, x squared plus 2x plus 7x plus 10 equal to what, 0. Factorize this one, x into x plus 2. What common here? Sorry, this one is for 5x. Okay, 5 common here, take 5 out. This one will be what, x into x plus 2 equal to what, 0. 5 times x, 5 times 2 is 10. We can now have x plus 5 into what, x plus 2 equal to what, 0. Since this one is plus, we can have x plus 5 equal to 0, or what, x plus 2 equal to what, 0. This plus 5 here become minus here, or what, x is equal to what, minus 2. So we are done with this. Now look at this fourth one as well. We are still going to apply the same procedure. I can say 4 times what, 12. 4 times minus 3 minus 12. The middle number here is what, the coefficient of x here is what, minus 4. Okay, now here I need to number that will give me minus 2 at the same time give me what, minus 4. I can say 6 times what, minus 6 times 2, it will be what, minus 12. We are good. Minus 6 plus 2, it will give me what, minus 4. Here now I can now say minus x plus what, 2x, to give me what, minus 4x. Okay, now let me now apply this one here now. Here now we can have 4x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Factorize this 2 common here, 2x common, take 2 out, to what, 2x minus 3. What common here is plus 1, to what, 2x minus 3 equal to what, 0. 2x plus 1 into what, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Here now we can have 2x plus 1 equal to 0, or what, 2x minus 3 equal to what, 0. Here we can have 2x equal to minus 1, or what, 2x equal to what, 3. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2, x is equal to minus 1 over 2, or what, s equal to what, 3, or s equal to what, 3 over 2. So this is the answer.